Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 4-hour chart of gold in front of us. Before I proceed with the chart, I have an announcement that my dear friends, I will not be available for the next 5 to 6 days because I'll be on a vacation, small break. I'll be going to Goa, so I'll be back after 6 to 7 days. So now let's talk about the chart of gold. So right now, as we can see, that gold is trading inside a narrow channel, and we can see a clear symmetrical triangle pattern on the chart as well. And if you look at the chart of DXY, then on the chart of DXY, we can see that DXY has shown commendable recovery and DXY is trading inside the previous range again. So previously DXY was trading inside a narrow range, then we saw a breakdown, and right now DXY is again back inside the range. So the resistance is still the same again, 102.25, and after that we have resistance at 103.50, 104. So there will be multiple layers of resistances for DXY, as DXY is weak both fundamentally and technically, but we are not sure about this level anymore. But overall we can see that DXY is still trying its best, still giving its best fight to recover. So this week I think that DXY will be closing above 100.80 or 100.80, 100.50 should be the weekly support for DXY right now. And if you look at a chart of gold, then we can see that gold is right now trading at 1998. And my dear friends, sadly we do not have any levels for the day. I will not be recommending any levels today because we can see that market is inside a symmetrical triangle pattern, and symmetrical triangle pattern is a bilateral pattern, means there can be a breakout towards the upside as well as towards the downside. So as a result, we need to wait for the right moment, we need to wait for the right time. So my dear friends, if you are looking for some day trading opportunities, then you can look for some buy around this level, sell around this level. But you can see that already market is squeezing. Okay, it has become very narrow. So in this situation, taking a buy or taking a sell is very risky. In fact, yesterday while recording the video, the market was somewhere around here, and I told you guys that I have already taken a sell position and my sell position did pretty well. But today I have not taken any sell position because I think that taking a sell in this level can be very risky. So as a result, I will also recommend everyone that wait for the right time. Maybe you will get a proper breakout or breakdown by next week, by Monday or Tuesday, but at least you will get a better trade. Quality matters, not quantity. And one more thing I would like to add here is that the trend line at the bottom has been acting as a dynamic support for quite some time. And yesterday also, could see a perfect bounce. Okay, there was a perfect bounce, sharp bounce from the trend line. I was shocked. I was thinking that market would break the trend line, but when I saw the recovery, I did not get any chance to enter. So already market has tested the trend line 7 times, my dear friend. Anything above 5 times is very risky, and already market has tested the trend line 7 times. So next time if market comes also, okay, if possible, try to avoid any buy position at that trend line. And the reason is that, see, discipline is the most important thing in the market. Maybe you will lose one or two opportunities, but in the long run at least you'll be profitable. So the levels are still the same, the levels that we have been discussing for the last couple of days, that is 1950. Okay, 1950 to 1955 is the next support on the chart of gold. But as we can see, the market is heading towards a narrow channel squeezing. So if this thing continues for today also, then there can be a very big breakout or breakdown and market may not respect. So previously I have been telling you that 1950 to 55 is a very strong support, but right now we can see that the market is getting ready for a bigger breakout. Okay, so my dear friend, observe the volatility of the market, then only take a decision if market starts falling also. But I think that if market breaks the trend line here this time, if market breaks the trend line, I think I'll be going for a sell position. Also, I'll be on a vacation, but you all can go for a sell position below the trend line as well, because 7 times is okay, is too much too much to digest. So during the day or by tomorrow, if market breaks the trend line with a big red candle, means that selling pressure is present in the market, and you can look for a sell position and observe the market around 1950 to 55 level as well. And as I said, 1950 to 55 has been a very strong support, but things are changing slowly right now because market is preparing for a bigger breakout. So switch to 1 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame, not 15 minutes, okay, or 1 hour time frame, and just observe how the market reacts around 1950 to 55. If you see that market is taking support around 1950 to 55, prices being rejected from below, market showing hammer kind of a pattern, you'll get a confirmation that okay, market wants to take support, market is getting the required support, buyers are present, and you can look for a buy position. And on the other hand, if the breakout comes towards the upside, okay, yes, the volatility of the market will obviously play a big role. We have resistance around 2015 to 2012. This is a minor resistance on the chart of gold. Usually after a breakout, this type of resistances do not work. Okay, and overall the market is an uptrend. We should not forget that the major structure of the market is still very much bullish. So if the breakout comes, observe the volatility. If the volatility is not much, scalpers, okay, scalpers can look for a sell position around 2013 2014 level. You can expect 20-30 pips. But if the volatility of the market is high, if you see that market is going for a big breakout, then obviously it means that breakout will sustain, because market has volume. Volume is very, very important. And you can also look for a buy position above 2015 as well. Okay, so 2015 is a temporary resistance on the market. Actually, it's not proper resistance also, because we already have a breakout formation going on. So still, sometimes market betrays, okay, sometimes market, okay, cheats us. So in that case, if you do not see much volatility, you can expect, or scalpers can expect, some selling opportunity around 2015 for 20-30 pips. And in case market breaks 2015, we can look for a buy position as well. And as market is squeezing, heading towards a very narrow channel, the breakout can be a big one. So till yesterday, I have been telling that you can look for a buy position on 1950-55, but today I'll say that observe the market first. But yes, as market already tested the trend line too many times, there is a possibility of breakdown, okay, and it will remain. So you can look for a sell also below the trend line as well if market breaks with volume. So I think we should wait for the right opportunity, because market has been very unpredictable for the last couple of days. Let's wait and watch. And my dear friends, as market is little bit difficult and has become more difficult these days, especially for beginners, so please follow proper risk management. And if you're new to the market, if you're unable to understand the market condition right now, you can just take a break for 2 or 3 days, because market will not remain the same. Anyways, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. So follow proper risk management, my dear friends. Bye bye, take care, and see ya after 5 to 6 days. Good luck.